We hope this lesson reminds you Jesus is light, and in Him there is no darkness. As a Christian, you contain God's powerful light in you, and He wants you to share that light with the people you encounter. You're to remind them of how powerful God's light is. So, share His light with the world. Go make some art, and most importantly, forget not the Lord. If you want to learn how to do this lesson and hundreds more, join us in our Bible Art membership, filled with printables, art lessons, and Bible resources for kids of all ages, where we're helping you remember the Lord in creative ways.